Whoa! Alright, good morning guys. I've been up since like 6 in the morning, but it's like 7:30 now. We're gonna start heading down to Fountain, Colorado. It's about 2 hours away, but we're gonna go meet up with some other BMWs and it should be a really fun cruise. So I'll see you guys there. Just got here. We've got an M3 that we're next to. We're gonna hop out and see who we're cruising with. Alright guys, so we got a few of us out already. Looks like we're just waiting on a couple of more people, but it's gonna be an awesome cruise down there. The weather's really giving us some sunshine too. All right guys, so we are heading out. We're gonna be a little late, but that's okay because we'll beat all the crazy lines. All right guys, so we showed up a little bit late, but we were able to squeeze into the show. We got the track around us and you can see cars just going around. It's so cool. It looks like a really fun event. So we're actually gonna be hopping into some roll racing in this video, so that will be fun as well. This thing is wild, guys. Look at that engine setup. I've actually never seen a NASCAR up close. Look at that ultimate weight reduction. car, just soaking up all the AC. It is so hot out today, guys. Like, it is crazy hot.
Hi everyone, we have the puppy. Say hi. Hello.
So we just raced Brian and his 335. Definitely, like, from the standstill, his was losing traction, building boost, but once he hit boost, that thing started to pass me. So if we had more track, he would crush me. But yeah, it's still cool to see the cars go neck and neck for most of the run.
My parents paid to take care of it anyways while we live there. I can do this every single day of my life.
That run did pretty well, but Brian didn't turn his traction control off, so it messed up his whole launch. Excuse me. So we're gonna do that one more time. Something weird. It like stalled itself.
What do you mean?
Like I was holding the gas and brake and I let go and it like leaned forward and wouldn't move.
When we were starting?
Yeah. Doing some drag racing with Brian, so of course his car top end is going to be a little faster, but we just can't get off on the launch. So roll racing will be fun. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys. So we are hopping into the roll racing. I'm gonna start off with Tristan in his single turbo 135. He's fast. He's gonna get me. I know. He's got slicks on and everything, but yeah. But I'm gonna test out my anti-lag and see if that's gonna help me out. But we got Alex in the car,
I'm scared.
But let's hop into it. I've been using the anti-lag feature on each run, and that works so well. Like, I don't know, the way it just builds boost and everything just works so well in this car that it's hard to beat it off the line when it comes to rolling and everything. So I'm pretty stoked on how the anti-lag is performing. Up top, there's just not enough road for us to really test out, like both cars that are racing and everything. So we'll have to continue some racing at Banmer Speedway in the next few days.
One more time.
Let's run it. Let's see. He's got a big turbo on that Honda, so we'll see how round 2 goes. So we just raced that silver GTR. So he's got stock turbos, but he's got a tune on full E85. So he's fast, but we're gonna go round 2 with him because I want to see if I can beat a tuned GTR. So let's see.
Come on, babe, go. Oh no!
He is way too fast. All right, guys, so that's gonna end today. So we just got done doing some roll racing. I'm letting the engine cool off. But yeah, that was a lot of fun, guys. I'm really happy on how the car is feeling. It definitely helped having the new tires on it. So it's gonna be fun to make some more power out of this and see how I can improve it. So we're gonna start heading home.